Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing pizza boats tonight. Great snack, adults, kids love it. Same, pizza, who doesn't? Anyways, so start off by melting a tablespoon or two of butter. Now you're gonna season it. So I got about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and it goes. I'm gonna give it about an equal amount of oregano. Now, I'm gonna make sure I give it a good mixy. There you go, it's all one. Now I'm going to take these tortilla bowls, I think they're burrito bowls, but they work perfect, and some old hamburger buns, you can use whatever. Spread the butter onto your vessel. Works a lot better if you got a pastry brush, but I didn't, so I'm going to do the best with what I got. And just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to put some Parmesan on the outside of that. There we go, that looks good. I like the texture. Flip them over, make sure to fill your boats up now. So put a tablespoon or two of pizza sauce in each. Just use your favorite brand name. You don't need to go crazy. It'll be great. Now that they're all filled up with sauce, you got your layer one. I'm putting some mozzarella cheese in. I'm gonna leave the cheese out on one because I got an uncle that can't do lactose. But he can do Parmesan because I guess his age, I don't know. I'm gonna put some diced onion on, a little bit of diced jalapeno, and the real star of the show is gonna be this diced pepperoni. Now, I like to dice it or ground it up so you get pepperoni in every bite without yanking the cheese off. Nobody likes that when that happens. Okay, and now I'm going to top that with Parmesan because if you haven't noticed, I like Parmesan, but feel free to use whatever cheese blend you want. Into the oven it goes at 400 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Pull out on time, as always. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ciao.